Hey folks, welcome back. In this video I am going to set up server for Active Directory, Citrix and the vCenter. As I was shown in the earlier video that we will need a 3 server, Active Directory, vCenter and Citrix server. So that we are going to build in this particular video. I have already installed VMware Workstation right now. Now I'm going to build a 3 server for vCenter, Citrix, alright, and the Active Directory of course that is needed. I'll go to home page, create a new machine. Of course, we will need ISO file as I mentioned earlier in the previous video. And what are the files we required? The ISO files, that is Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop, the server 2019, and the ESXi and the vCenter. All right. So what we are going to build right now, that is Windows Server 2019. All right. So location, let me copy this. Next, ISO file. Okay, what I will do mostly, if you select this ISO file, mostly we will get that some kind of error that license invalid or something. So better we can choose this option. I will install the operating system later on. So next, Windows 2019. Next, I have picked up one particular drive, this drive, V drive, where I'm going to build each and every server on it. Okay, new folder, I'll put the name Citrix Lab over here. Inside we are going to build 3 server. First is AD, the Active Directory. Second one is what? Citrix server. Third one is what? The vCenter. So we need 3 server. Okay, so we are going to build first Active Directory server. I'll provide the location and make it Active Directory. How much space we need to give this particular server? I mentioned earlier. How much? It is 40 GB, 2 GB RAM, dual core and 40 GB. All right. So I'll make it 40 GB. Say next. And the since I was mentioned earlier that I'm going to use my Wi-Fi, so I'll pick up this one. All right. I'm not going to use NAT option. I'm going to use my Wi-Fi device, where my Wi-Fi device will be broadcast and will provide the DHCP function role to all my machine. What that means is the machine will get the IP address assigned from the Wi-Fi router. All right. Processor dual core, which I mentioned, and the memory is 2 GB. Okay, the another one, new virtual machine. Next 2019. This machine we are going to build for what? Citrix server. Citrix server. All right. Next, how much space we need to assign this particular server? Citrix 100 GB. All right. Let me pick up 100 GB. We can increase later on if needed. If you select this option, you will not able to increase. So better to use this option. All right. Split virtual disk into multiple files. Hardware we need to customize. We will need to give 4 quad core, right? So 4 cores, and the memory is 8 GB. All right. Finish. Now third server we need to build. Create a machine. Next, I will install later 2019, and now this server we will build for a vCenter. vCenter, let me pick up the location. All right, vCenter. Say next. How much? 100 GB again. We can able to expand later on if needed. 8 GB RAM we need to give this particular server. Okay, processor again quad core. Close it. Finish. Now what next? We need to provide ISO file to set up the server. So go to edit, SATA, DVD writer, and I'll pick up the ISO file. All right, which is stored over here. Where is this one, server 2019. So I'm using evolution version that will be expire after 6 months, and 6 months is very enough time to practice all the virtualization, the Citrix virtualization. All right. Okay, click on power on, hit enter. Next, install now. Pick up this one is standard. Okay, data center not really required. Okay, so standard evolution desktop experience should be fine. Say next, accept, say next, custom, next. Again, go to edit for Citrix server, go to SATA, use ISO file, go here, go to the ISO files and the server 2019, say okay. One more thing, if you know this, if you already know how to build a server, please skip this video. There is nothing. Okay, I'm just going to build a server. Okay, so if you already know these all things, you really don't have to watch this particular video. Just skip this and go move on to next video. Thank you. vCenter. Let me complete this first. I just forget to hit enter button. Reset. Enter. Say next, click on install. Again, pick up this one. For each server we need to pick up the same thing. If you want, you can pick up the first one as well. There is no restriction, you can use anything you want. Go to vCenter, go to edit again, go to the data, use image, go here, V drive. I have stored all ISO file in this V drive, then server 2019. Say okay, just click on power on. Okay, we need to hit enter. Oh, come on, power, reset, hit enter. Choose your password for the local admin account. It's done. We need to install the VMware tool. Same thing we need to do with this other two, so I will not show the installation part, the VMware tool installation on this two server. I'll stop the video and we'll go with next video, which is how to install Windows Active Directory. Okay, so I will show you on this particular one server how to install the, I know if you already know how to install it, that's okay, you can escape this video. If you don't know, just look at install VMware tool. Come up. Okay, let's see if this pop-up message does not appear while you are installing VMware Workstation. What you have to do is go here, click on the folder, go on this PC, open this one and run. Just double click on it. Okay, if not, you need to click on 64-bit. Say next, typical, always install. Done. Now we have network adapter and now we have display driver, so this server is set up correctly. All right, So I will be set up for this all these two balance server. Okay, and we will go with server 2019 Active Directory installation. Thank you very much for watching this, and let's see you next video. Thank you.